In 2024, the quest for the ultimate vlogging experience reaches new heights with the best vlogging camera. Engineered for the modern content creator, these cameras seamlessly blend cutting-edge technology with unparalleled versatility. From vibrant travel vlogs to intimate daily updates, they capture every moment with stunning clarity and precision. With compact designs, advanced stabilization, and intuitive controls, these cameras empower vloggers to effortlessly share their stories with the world. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or a budding creator, the best vlogging camera of 2024 promises to be your trusted companion on the journey to captivating and immersive content creation. Number 5. Introducing the epitome of elegance and sophistication in vlogging technology, the DJI Pocket 3 vlogging camera. This exquisite device boasts unparalleled quality and innovation, perfect for capturing every detail of your life in stunning clarity. Crafted with precision and care, the DJI Pocket 3 is a true masterpiece of modern design. Its sleek, compact body fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, allowing you to effortlessly capture all your adventures with ease. With its advanced features and state-of-the-art technology, this camera delivers professional quality videos and photos that are sure to impress even the most discerning viewer. Whether you're a seasoned vlogger or just starting out, the DJI Pocket 3 is the perfect companion for all your creative endeavors. From capturing breathtaking landscapes to recording intimate moments with loved ones, this camera is guaranteed to elevate your content to new heights. Experience the luxury of superior performance and unmatched style with the DJI Pocket 3 vlogging camera. Elevate your vlogging game and make a statement with every shot you take. Indulge in the ultimate vlogging experience with the DJI Pocket 3, where luxury meets innovation. Number 4. Introducing the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera, the ultimate tool for capturing your life's most precious moments in stunning detail. This sleek and sophisticated camera is designed with the modern content creator in mind, offering unparalleled performance and versatility. Featuring a high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus technology, the Sony ZV-E10 delivers crystal-clear images and smooth, professional-quality video. Whether you're filming a vlog, capturing a special event, or simply documenting your daily adventures, this camera is sure to exceed your expectations. But the Sony ZV-E10 isn't just about performance, it's also about style. With its sleek, compact design and premium build quality, this camera is as beautiful as it is functional. Take it with you wherever you go and easily capture every moment in stunning detail. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Elevate your content creation game with the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera, the ultimate companion for the modern storyteller. Number 3. Introducing the Fujifilm X-S20 vlogging camera, the ultimate tool for content creators who demand nothing but the best. This sleek and stylish camera is designed to elevate your vlogging game to new heights, capturing every detail with stunning clarity and precision. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Fujifilm X-S20 vlogging camera delivers professional quality footage that will leave your audience in awe. The 24.2 APS-C sensor ensures crisp, high-resolution images, while the 4K video recording capabilities allow you to capture every moment in stunning detail. Equipped with a fast and accurate autofocus system, the Fujifilm X-S20 vlogging camera ensures that your subjects are always in focus, no matter how fast they move. And with its compact and lightweight design, this camera is perfect for on-the-go vlogging, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage wherever your adventures take you. Take your vlogs to the next level with the Fujifilm X-S20 vlogging camera. Whether you're sharing your daily life, documenting your travels, or creating engaging tutorials, this camera has everything you need to create professional quality content that will stand out from the crowd. Elevate your vlogging game with the Fujifilm X-S20 vlogging camera today. Number 2. Introducing the Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera, the ultimate tool for capturing your life's most stunning moments in unmatched clarity and elegance. This sleek and sophisticated camera is expertly designed for vloggers and content creators who demand nothing but the best. Featuring a powerful 20.1 Exmor RS CMOS sensor and a fast f1.8 2.8 Zeiss Variosonar T** lens, The Sony ZV-1 delivers breathtakingly sharp and detailed images with rich, vibrant colors. Its advanced AF system ensures that every shot is perfectly focused, while its advanced image stabilization technology guarantees smooth, shake-free footage every time. Whether you're shooting in low light or bright sunlight, the Sony ZV-1 excels in any environment thanks to its wide ISO range and customizable white balance settings. And with 4K video recording capabilities, you can capture every moment in stunning detail from sunrise to sunset. But the Sony ZV-1 is more than just a camera. It's a complete content creation powerhouse. With a built-in microphone, wind noise reduction, and a dedicated product showcase setting, you can be sure that your videos will sound as good as they look. And with a flip-out LCD screen and comfortable grip, you can vlog all day without missing a beat. Elevate your vlogging game to new heights with the Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. Experience the luxury of capturing your life's most. Number 1. Introducing the pinnacle of photographic technology, the Nikon Z7 II camera for photography. Crafted with precision and innovation, this mirrorless camera is designed to elevate your photography to new heights of excellence. Immerse yourself in the world of high-resolution imaging with the Z7 II's 45.7 megapixel sensor, delivering stunningly detailed images that capture every nuance and texture with breathtaking clarity. With advanced autofocus capabilities and lightning-fast processing speeds, you can effortlessly capture the perfect shot every time, even in challenging lighting conditions. Experience the ultimate in versatility with the Z7 II's seamless compatibility with a wide range of Nikkor Z lenses, allowing you to unleash your creativity and explore new artistic possibilities. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera is your trusted companion for capturing life's most precious moments with unrivaled precision and beauty. With its sleek, ergonomic design and intuitive controls, the Nikon Z7 II camera for photography is a joy to use, inspiring you to push the boundaries of your creativity and express your unique vision with confidence. Elevate your photography to the next level with the Nikon Z7 II, the perfect tool for capturing the extraordinary in every moment.